Hey everybody, it's Braden here from Royal LePage Little Oak Realty, and welcome to my housing market update for December 2023. And what a year it was. You know, we had some ups, we had some downs. In the spring, we had sellers markets, bidding wars in a lot of cases, and that was riding on the back of low fixed rate mortgages. Just because of market sentiment at that time. Then of course we had a couple of rate hikes in June and July, and that really cooled the market off for the rest of the year. We had a slower fall and winter because of it. Now looking at December, check this out. New listings down 56% month over month. They just fell off a cliff. So suddenly nobody wanted to sell their homes anymore. Sales fell by 8% month over month. Not a surprising drop, just considering the seasonality of heading into the holiday season. And inventory levels down a whopping 29%. That's a huge drop. That's really outside of the norm. Now, when I compared all these numbers to the 10-year average, new listings down 19% from normal. So clearly there's something going on here. People really didn't feel like listing their home last December. So take from that what you will. Sales down 34% from normal. So this is actually up from November, where I think it was around 38%. So this is a sign that demand is starting to improve even in the end of the year, and will likely continue to improve as market sentiment improves. And we are starting to see that somewhat. Inventory levels, look at this, 1% above the 10-year average. So right around normal for inventory, but demand is way down and new listings way down. So an interesting dynamic taking place here. Some of my notes: inflation is up in the US and Canada at the last reading. So this is really throwing a wrench into the markets. Of course, everybody was riding a high after Jerome Powell announced that there could be 3 rate cuts in the United States this year. But if inflation remains sticky, I think we're unlikely to see those rate cuts until the latter half of the year, in my opinion. Here in Canada, new construction is down, but immigration is up, way up. And this creates a bit of a mismatch, and that's why we think that real estate is probably going to have a strong year this year, as well as the rental market. Well, this wraps up my housing market update. If you have any questions for me whatsoever, feel free to drop me a line, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye now.